Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you some of the basics when it comes to modeling. One of the first things I like to do when I start out a project is I like to start with the walls. It's usually the easiest thing because so many different things are hosted off of those. So I'm in my plane project here, and I'm going to go to wall. Inside of wall, you have actually two options when it comes to that. You have the option of an architectural wall, and then go back so you can see that here. An option of an architectural wall, a structural wall, and then a wall by face. A wall by face has to be done through 3D modeling. That's a whole other concept we can explore at some other time. But I'm going to click on an architectural wall, and inside of architectural wall, I'm going to come over here to my type properties box. I'm just going to show you the few walls that I have in there. If you are doing any type of North American residential project, most likely you're going to want to have some type of light frame construction for your project. So with that being said, I'm just going to kind of scroll through some of these real quick so you can see them. And you'll see that most of these projects are set to a metal stud. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab one of probably the most common ones out there, which is the brick or metal stud. And when I do that, I'm going to go through. I'm going to make sure, I'm going to go to my design options bar up top here, and I'm going to click through. I'm going to first make sure that it's going to the correct place. I haven't done any type of setup when it comes to elevations or anything like that. So I'm just going to click level 2 for right now. We'll do a one-story home here. When it comes to location line, I'm actually going to set this to finish face exterior. And there's a reason for that. And now I'm just going to do something extremely simple, which is just a box. So I'm going to start, I'm going to click somewhere on my drawing here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and I'm just going to do just a simple box. I'm not worried about any dimensions or anything at this time. I just want to make sure that I get the drawings in. Now, something that you'll notice that it started, I went down and it did this one here. That's because I didn't have my chain set. So if I had chain set, a wall coming after I clicked here would have came down and finished this up. But it's kind of a good thing now because now I don't have to worry about drawing on top of another wall. And there you are. It's just that simple. There's your wall being placed into your project.